Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Headstrom hopper. I bought this for my son's birthday. He is obsessed with Spider-Man, but there are other decals you can get. This is made of vinyl and it's really durable. He bounces all over the house and all over the backyard with it, and it's great for both indoors and outdoors. It does have this textured handle so their little hands aren't gonna slip off. This is 15 inches in diameter and it's super easy to inflate. We just used a hand pump and it only took like a minute. It also deflates super easily for storage or if you want to take it somewhere travel wise, super easy. My daughter also used this. My son is 4 and we bought it for him, but my daughters are 5 and 7 and they bounce on it. So I think it would be great for any kids maybe between like 4 to 10. It's held up well. It has the textured bottom also, so he bounces around on our hardwood floors and he doesn't slip and fall. It's just so cute and so fun, and he loves the little decal. The decal has stayed on also. It hasn't come off at all. It hasn't worn off, and he's had this for probably 6 months now and it's held up just great. So if you are looking for something fun for your kids to play maybe in the summer or play around inside, I think this would be a great choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.